Right now, in this very moment, you are seesawing between two different realities. In one of those realities, you already have financial freedom, or a successful business, or perfect health, or multiple streams of income flowing into a very big, secure bank account. You're living in abundance with the best partner in the world at your side, traveling first class, choosing your schedule, waking up healthy and stress-free. And in the other reality, well, it's the one that you're currently experiencing. The same bills, the same income, the same limitations, the same loop. But here's the truth. It's not hard to bridge these two realities. You have the ability to cross into your chosen reality at your leisure. And the secret isn't outside of you. It's not a new trend or business strategy or visualization strategy. It's the energy that you choose to embody. The second you feel the feeling of that upgraded reality that you're envisioning, the wealth mindset, the freedom, the excitement, that's the exact moment that you merge with it. But here's the catch that most people miss. How often are you actually staying in that energy? How often do you hold the vibration of wealth, of love, of prosperity, of financial stability, of health and confidence? Versus, falling back into the energy of struggle or lack or doubt. That percentage, that ratio between the time that you live in the old versus the new is exactly how close you are to manifesting it fully. The longer that you can sustain the emotion of success, of freedom, of love, of health, of abundance, wealth management, of prosperity, the faster the 3D catches up. That's not just manifestation. That's neural rewiring. That's subconscious programming. That's aligning your quantum reality with your present timeline. So tonight, ask yourself honestly, where am I living most of the time? Am I looping in survival mode? Or am I locking in the identity of someone who already crossed into the wealthy, free, abundant reality that's waiting for me? Because the truth is, you're closer than you think. So comment down below your thoughts, like the video if you'd be so kind, and catch you when we land once again. Thank you for watching.